Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to group products. So simply open the products and now go to collections. Now click on create collections. Now here type the group products and now after that just click on save. So you can see this error is appeared. So we want to remove this. So simply what I need to do, just we have to go to product key and select some options here, and here we will click on manual and then click on save. So now after this, what is the next step? Just go to products and now here select all the products one by one, click on more actions. Now click on add 3 products to collections and simply select group products and now click on save. So you can see in this way you can group products in Shopify. Here you can check 3 products added in group product.